How much time does your team lose when the network goes down, when a critical file is lost, or you're on hold with a tech support line that's 3 time zones away? For many businesses, IT support is a cycle of break-fix. Something goes wrong, you call for help, you pay a bill, and you wait for the next fire. It's reactive. It feels like you're always one step behind, dealing with surprise fees and solutions that don't quite fit your actual needs. It's an approach that serves the IT company's bottom line, not your business's future. But what if your technology partner worked differently? What if their primary goal was for you to never have to make that emergency call? At Adaptive Information Systems, the philosophy is to prevent problems, not just fix them. It starts with having a dedicated local team that actually knows your business and your priorities. They don't offer cookie-cutter packages. Instead, they build solutions that fit you and explain the pros and cons of every option transparently. This means proactive monitoring that catches issues before they halt your workday. It means robust cybersecurity that keeps you protected from evolving threats, not just checking a box. It's having executive-level IT strategy without the cost of a full-time CIO, and knowing your data is backed up and recoverable no matter what happens. From cloud services to enterprise networking, the entire system is optimized so it just works, reliably and securely. Technology should be a tool that moves you forward, not an obstacle you constantly have to overcome. Being adaptive is more than a name. It's a commitment to building technology that grows with your business, so you can stop worrying about IT and get back to what you do best. That's the difference a true partner makes. Call Adaptive Information Systems today.